The Oregon State Police, on behalf of the Polk County Sheriff's Office, is seeking the public's assistance in locating Stephen Wright, a 75-year-old male from the Dallas area, who was last seen on Saturday, June 21st. Wright is described as being 6 feet tall, weighing approximately 140 pounds, with white hair. He is believed to be driving a white-colored 1999 Toyota 4Runner with Oregon license plate 946DFC. Anyone who sees Wright or his vehicle is urged to call 911 and reference to case number 25-7408.